Oh hey, how's everybody doing? So I decided to do a little get ready with me video because I never do these and I do love makeup just as much as I love hair stuff. So I have this thing in my hair because I am going to film a hair tutorial or a first impression on this Aussie Instant Freeze Gel Max Hold. Who has tried this product? I have not. It was really inexpensive. So I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm going to do my hair with this. That will be in the next video after this one. So if you guys want to go check that one out, you can do that too. For today's video, I am going to go ahead and do a little chit chat get ready with me because I have a lot of things going on this weekend and I just have to get ready and I want to do a really quick, fast and easy makeup base tutorial. So that's what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get started. This is lemonade, not coffee. I already had coffee this morning. Okay, so para empezar, to start, I am going to go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydration Foundation. This hydration foundation is amazing. I really do like it. My skin is definitely on the oily side when it comes to my T-zone, but it's normal everywhere else. So I have been gravitating more towards the natural finish foundations or anything hydrating, not too matte. And I have really been enjoying this one. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over the face. I have to wax my mustache. I hope you guys cannot see that on camera. So I usually apply this with a brush and blend it in with a brush or buff it in with a brush. And then I go in and kind of even everything out with the sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and just do everything with a sponge and see how it looks. Ooh, you guys, so I trimmed my hair this morning for the first time on my own and and I mean, I thought it was really easy. I saw a whole bunch of videos beforehand of girls trimming their own hair, natural girls and girls with straight hair. So I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do. I followed a video of this girl who did layers in her hair because that's what I have on my hair. I will link her video down below. She has like 18 million views on that video. So I followed her video and it was really easy to do. I'm going to apply this a little bit more foundation. But anyways, I know when you trim your hair as a curly girl, you can't really tell if you made any mistakes when your hair is curly, but you can definitely tell when you blow dry your hair straight. So I do have a video that I want to do of me using this curling set, like curling wand that I have been dying to use, but I haven't done it because my ends were really bad. So we're going to see the results of me trimming my own hair when I straighten my hair in that video. Because right now, when I do my hair, I know you're not going to be able to tell if I did a good job or not trimming. But I know once my hair is straight, that's when the truth will be revealed. So we shall see how it looks. But my ends were so bad and I cut about an inch off and I still feel like I need to cut more off because they were so dry. I'm going back to basics with my hair. I used to deep condition weekly and I stopped doing that once my hair started. Damn, I forgot to prime. I always forget to prime because I just started priming. I don't really believe in primers. I think it really emphasizes your pores over time. But anyways, what was I saying? Completely forgot. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and move in with concealer because I honestly forgot what I was talking about. I completely forgot, like blank mind, no idea. So I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Concealer in C9. When I first bought this, I thought C9 was like the perfect color, like my skin color. And it's not, it's really light. I picked up C9 and C7. C7 is really light for me. I don't know why in that video I was like, yeah, C9, perfect to my skin tone. It really isn't. But I am looking for a concealer that's just like my skin color so that I can like spot conceal. But anyways, I really do like this concealer. It is full coverage and you have time to blend it in before it dries down. It's really nice. I did do a Tarte Shape Tape versus Jeffree Star Concealer. If you guys want to go check that out, I will link it down below. I love them both, but I mean, if I had to pick one, I would still go with the Tarte Shape Tape. It's just, I mean, That concealer is unbeatable. The only thing with that concealer is that it's a little bit drying. This one is not. But I love them both. They're both really, really good. Oh, that's what I was talking about, trimming my hair. Is that what I was talking about? Or did I finish talking about that? Anyways, I'm gonna go in with powder now. I'm gonna go set with the Jeffree Star powder, which smells amazing. I picked up the color Rose, which is very nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eye really quick. I make such a mess with this powder, why? Publix lemonade is the best lemonade there is. Done, I said it, best. So for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Bronzer in Chocolate Soleil Matte. I'm going to use this to bronze up a little bit, and I'm going to put a little bit on my eyes as well. You guys, I was using the moisturizer from It Cosmetics, and I started noticing that I started to get texture on my cheeks right here in this area, and I couldn't figure out why. After a while, I thought that it was the moisturizer, but I wasn't sure. And once I stopped using that moisturizer, all of my texture started to go away. So I know for a fact that moisturizer started giving me texture on my skin, and it's insane because I never had texture before on my cheeks, like ever. So I started using the Ordinary skincare. I've only been using it for a week, and I noticed such a huge difference on the smoothness of my skin already. It is definitely working. So if you're someone who has texture skin and you're struggling with, you know, just having a smooth skin, I would definitely recommend checking out the products from The Ordinary. I picked mine up at Sephora, and each bottle is like $6. And they have amazing, amazing reviews. And I also went on YouTube and I saw several YouTubers that I follow that specialize on skin recommend them as well. So I will link it below. So if anybody out there is struggling with having just a smooth skin and getting rid of your texture, or even if you're a dude, I know guys in makeup have that issue a lot because when they shave their face, they have texture and they want to get rid of the bumps or whatever. So I'm going to list the 3 products that I'm using below, but you guys can check out the whole brand. They're just so cheap. And so far it's been working. I like it a lot. So I just kind of wanted to mention that because it just works. And I have been kind of sad that that moisturizer made my skin irritated. I don't know what happened there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze up a little bit. Same bronzer, not too much. I'm dying to upgrade my camera, but cameras are so expensive. I just don't want to spend the money on it because this one works really well, you know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. However, this camera only records in 720p, and I want to just upgrade. I'm not looking for something that's 4K or anything, but at least 1080. I already know the camera that I want, but I don't know. I'll save up for it and then purchase it, but right now it's just so pricey. I'm gonna skip highlight today, even though I think I use this brush for highlighter or something because my cheeks look kind of shimmery. Alright, but I am gonna skip highlighter today. I am gonna go in with blush. This one is from Milani. It is so pretty. It is in the shade Rose. Oh, rosa, que romántico. For lip liner, I am going to use the shade Tawny from Jordani, and then I'm going to go in with the Bite Beauty little lippy stick situation in Glace, and then over that I'm going to top it off with the Dose of Color lip gloss in Messy Bun. Oh, I know what it is. That's Daddy vacuuming. It's hard to film when you have a gazillion boys at home. I really like the way the lips look by themselves. I don't think I'm gonna add the gloss. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some individual lashes off camera because it takes me a little while to apply these, and then I will be back. So I just had like the worst lash experience of my life, but I managed to get them on. I was gonna do individuals, but I decided to just do the whole strip lash instead because it's a lot quicker. And that is it. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.